Let's learn about dogs. There are around 400 million dogs in the world. Dogs perform many useful tasks for humans, including hunting, farm work, and security, as well as assisting those with disabilities such as the blind. There are hundreds of different breeds of dogs. Examples of these breeds include the Bulldog, German Shepherd, Collie, Golden Retriever, Saint Bernard, Greyhound, Chihuahua, and Labrador. The most popular breed of dog in the world by registered ownership is the Labrador. With their gentle nature, obedience, intelligence, and near limitless energy, Labradors make for excellent family pets and reliable workers. They often assist police and are a common choice as guide dogs. Dogs have formed such a strong bond as pets, workers, and companions to humans that they have earned the nickname man's best friend. They have superior hearing than humans, capable of hearing sounds at 4 times the distance. A dog's sense of smell is 10,000 times stronger than a human's. An adult dog has 42 teeth. The average lifespan for a dog is around 10 to 14 years. Dogs younger than a year old are known as puppies. Domestic dogs are omnivores. They feed on a variety of foods including grains, vegetables, and meats.